short video today because I wanted to show you all that Internet Explorer, the outdated piece of shit browser, actually still exists in Windows 11. They probably think, well, didn't Microsoft remove Internet Explorer from Windows 11? Well, they kind of did. You can't access it through normal means, but they still left it in intact, just hidden away. Now, to prove it, this is Windows 11, as you can see. Oh, sorry. As you can see, this is Windows 11. And the only way to get through Internet Explorer is to go to your start menu and search for control panel. Then you want to go to Internet options and go to advanced. Sorry, not advanced. You go to programs, manage add-ons, and learn more about toolbars and extensions. And that's how you actually access Internet Explorer, which is still in Windows 11. You can still access some websites, but overall Internet Explorer is pretty much useless right now, and it's not even worth using. But still, for the novelty, it's still there, just hidden away.